Hey, what is up everyone? This is Flash from Flash Hobbies, and we're continuing the mods, accessories on the 2019 Tacoma. These are the all-weather mats that I ordered from Amazon. As you can see here, this is what I paid for them at the time of this video. So let's go ahead and see the quality and how they fit. So the quality on these feel actually pretty good. I've had some all-weather mats in the past, and I think they were WeatherTech, but they weren't specific to my car, but they came out great. The rubber feels really good and durable. Let's see how the fitment is inside. All right, so the only real question now is durability, longevity. Fit is great. It actually overlaps here with the plastic, so you don't get a whole lot of crud down there. The last thing I gotta do is actually just come through and give it a nice vacuum. But they locked into place, no issues. I did have to push down a little hard so that I can turn them. Other than that, they fit really well. Kind of wish that they went a little bit higher, but that's okay. Here's the front driver. This one does go a little bit further up, and it covers the footrest. Everything is shaped really nice here. So I actually do like these a lot, and so far I think they're worth the price, but again, longevity. The rears fit just as nice as well. No issues putting them on. They fit over the center perfectly. They go as far as the stock ones do, and they also extend out just like the stock mats. I left them on there. Double protection, why not? Well, that's going to do it for this video, guys. As always, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe for more content, and we'll see you soon.